friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious ginger lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This refreshing and delicious with lots of benefits ginger lemonade, these are my ingredients. Of course, a large piece of ginger, fresh, 1 cup of granulated sugar, lemons, a pinch of salt, water, and ice. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. To make this amazing ginger lemonade, I want to start by first making the simple syrup. 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. You're going to let it boil until the water has dissolved completely. Once this is bubbling, then you're ready to just take it off the stove, let it sit for a couple minutes until it comes to room temperature. By making your simple syrup, you use less sugar. So this part is very important. You really want to enjoy a refreshing homemade lemonade and do it just like this. And here I have my organic lemons from my garden. I know they are very juicy and they have lots of juice. And with this little gadget, I am going to remove all the amazing juice from these lemons. Look at this. This ginger lemonade is really refreshing, really delicious, and with so many benefits. Look at the size of this ginger. Yes, I'm going to cut it in little pieces so I could add it into my blender. But I'm going to reserve about 3 slices for the decoration of the pitcher and my glass. There's no need to take the skin off because we're going to put it through a sifter. On these little slices, yes, just remove the little skin and then you're ready to enjoy an amazing ginger lemonade. Look at this. Of course, you already know that I use the NutriBullet only for my lemonades. So I make sure that the lemonades are not spicy at all. So here I'm just going to cover them just like this, and then I'm ready to blend. Blend for a couple minutes so that you make sure that it's well blended. All those fibers are releasing the amazing flavor of the ginger. Once this is done, put it through a sifter and with your hands or with the spoon, just press down on all those fibers. You really want to obtain all the juice of the ginger. So here I'm just going to press down, making sure that I remove all the pulp, but yet I get all the amazing juice of the ginger. Look at this. Once you have sifted everything, you're putting it in the sifter, just like that, and then you're going to add 1 liter of water. Make sure that you add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to help with the acidity of the lemon. I'm adding 1 cup of the simple syrup, 1 cup of the lemon juice, and of course, the pinch of salt that I didn't film, but I added a pinch of salt. And here I'm just going to mix away. I am going to taste just perfect. There's no need to do your lemonades sugary, just enough of sweetened. You could sweeten it with honey, agave, monk sugar, or just regular plain sugar. Make your simple syrup. I'm slicing a lemon, adding those slices inside my pitcher. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of ice, and I am going to mix. Look how amazing this looks. If you got to this part of the video, you love this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And I'm going to say thank you. Thank you so much for being part of my family. And here I am ready to enjoy an amazing ginger lemonade. Of course, like I always say, when you make it at home with lots of love, everything comes out perfect. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing ginger lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. Let's see how this came out. Just amazing and refreshing. If you liked and love this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this refreshing lemonade, ginger lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.